Prime Minister Modi visited the Pathankot Air Force Base today, exactly a week after the airbase was attacked by 6 terrorists. The Prime Minister was briefed on how the attack was neutralized. The Prime Minister later tweeted saying he was satisfied by the technical response and coordination of forces. Well, my colleague Zafar Iqbal now joining us for more on that. So the Prime Minister there assessing the situation. Zafar also making an aerial survey of that entire region. We have him tweeting that he was very satisfied by what he saw.
Well, indeed, the Prime Minister was here at the airbase. I'm just outside the airbase. As you can see, there are lots of people who have come here, and there's a candlelight vigil that's going on. The Prime Minister did, in fact, spend a few hours at the airbase. He was given a demonstration by the officers. They are also shown the weapon that were recovered. That's what the sources indicate. And also he met with some of the injured people, some of the injured security personnel before taking an aerial survey of this entire area. And now he's left for Delhi. But clearly the operations are over. But you can see that people are very emotional about this entire operation, and people want strict action against terrorism. The investigations are going on. The investigations are taking place on different levels. The SP Salvinder Singh, who was the SP of Gurdaspur, we're told is now being called to Delhi, where he will be questioned again. There have been many inconsistencies in his statement so far. So the NIA teams are also camping here, and there will be questioning done of the cook as well as the jeweler. So the investigations are also going on, but at the same time, the Prime Minister coming here and taking a round of this airbase, spending a few hours here, also sends a strong signal, strong message. Earlier the Defence Minister was here, but now Prime Minister making a personal assessment of the situation and taking a stock of the entire situation, and now really going back to Delhi. So all eyes are on the investigation now, and then there will be more leads that will come in. For the moment, the investigators have retraced the entire route of the terrorists from the point of their entry at the international border to the airbase, where there has been a breach in the fence where from they entered the airbase.